to BrightNest Learning. Play, learn, shine.
I am jumping.
I am jumping.
I am running.
I am running.
I am walking.
I am walking.
I am eating.
I am eating.
I am drinking.
I am drinking.
I am sleeping.
I am sleeping.
I am singing.
I am singing.
I am dancing.
I am dancing.
I am reading.
I am reading.
I am writing.
I am writing.
I am drawing.
I am drawing.
I am clapping.
I am clapping.
I am playing.
I am playing.
I am talking.
I am talking.
I am smiling.
I am smiling.
I am crying.
I am crying.
I am swimming.
I am swimming.
I am skipping.
I am skipping.
I am sitting.
I am sitting.
I am standing.
I am standing.
I am hiding.
I am hiding.
I am looking.
I am looking.
I am listening.
I am listening.
I am washing.
I am washing.
I am cleaning.
I am cleaning. Well done, friends. Keep learning with us every day. Don't forget to subscribe to watch more fun educational videos and stories in easy English. Click the link in the description box below to explore more. See you soon. Bye-bye.